Erica here, and welcome to another episode of Fake It Till You Bake It, where we improvise stuff and hope that it actually works out in the end. So today we are going to be making a durian cheesecake. It's going to be somewhat like a Basque burnt cheesecake, except instead of it being burnt, it's going to be just golden brown or dark brown. So I have my durian here. It smells so good. From Malaysia. So this was double sealed and packed and flown all the way back home. Let's open it up and see what's in here. It smells so good. Oh no, it cracked on the bottom. I've opened up my durian and here it is. It's so beautiful. It's so good. For those of you guys who have never had durian, it's the king of fruits. It smells so good and it's got this really creamy texture that's almost like custard, and it just melts in your mouth. It's so creamy and just so tasty. For those of you guys who are going to try durian, I recommend not to buy the ones from Thailand. They're the shittiest type of durians and just the cheapest and just so gross. You should get the ones from either Malaysia or Singapore. They have the best ones. And of course, everybody knows Mao Shan Wang. That one is really good, of course. But there are also a ton of different types of durian. There's also XO, which has more of a bitter aftertaste, which is one that I really love. I'm not too sure which one this is, but I'm pretty sure it's not Mao Shan Wang because it doesn't have that deep yellow color. Maybe it is. But this one is, it has more of a sweet aftertaste, which I think would be perfect for the cheesecake. Today we are going to be using a springform pan. It's one of these pans that has kind of like a release button and allows the base to pretty much fall out. This recipe isn't going to be like your traditional cheesecake recipe where you use a water bath and pop it in the oven. This one we're just going to throw everything into this pan and throw it in the oven and wait for it to be done. So it's actually very normal for Basque burnt cheesecakes to kind of just fall in the middle, and that's what's going to happen with ours as well, hopefully. So once it's done in the oven, remember not to release the cake from the pan too quickly. We're going to let the cake sit in the pan for a little bit, let it fall, and then release it. If you guys are looking for like just a side recipe for a Basque burnt cheesecake, this cheesecake recipe will work as well. Just take out the durian. So let's get started. It's so creamy, but the added texture of the durian makes it really nice because there's still that little bit of chew to it. And I did verify with my mom that it is Mao Shan Wang. So the sweetness of the durian actually does balance out the cheese and the saltiness. I actually cut down the sugar by quite a bit already, but because the durian already has that natural sweetness, the cake is just perfect. The whole kitchen smells like durian and the whole fridge smells like durian, but I love it. This is so good. I'm gonna put this down before I forget what I want to say. For those of you guys who will be trying out this recipe, I do recommend that you guys use a smaller pan. The 10-inch was a little bit too big and the cake just spread out a little bit too much, so I didn't get as much height to it. If you use maybe like an 8-inch pan, I'm pretty sure you'll get a higher cake. This is what it looked like afterwards. So you'll probably get it up to here at least, maybe like another inch or so, and you'll see the dome a lot more visibly. And finally, before I let you guys go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification button to stay updated with recipes each week. As well, let me know in the comments below if you guys tried this out. I'd love to hear if you guys experimented with this at home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!